Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my utterance about the person Terry Jeffrey Harris Jr. He is a 35-year-old person. His house located in Lexington Park. In December 24, 2024, a nightmare moment happened to him. That is, police arrested him by suspecting that he involved in second degree assault. There is another criminal charge filed against him. That is, he involved in disorderly conduct. The District Court of St. Mary's County decided to inquire him. In December 2024, a female victim made a domestic violence complaint against Terry Jeffrey Harris Jr. That victim had injuries. Hello viewers, what is your opinion about Terry Jeffrey Harris Jr.? Please mention it in comment section.